In Stila Brainrot, there is a new update in Los Mateos. Just happened. So, let's see what's gonna happen. Admin War, what? There's gonna be a new Admin War on Saturday, August 23rd at 10 a.m. It's gonna be against Jandel, Grow a Garden. Now you can get Galaxy Mutation, PP Potato, Leary Lou, Larry Lou, Packermac Tack, Tertigura Cistanera. Also, you can get a Burr as Te Patapim. You can get Admin Lucky Block, which has Le Grande Combinazione. And, well, you can also get stuff by and make sure you follow the event because it's going to be at 10 a.m. on August 23rd. Thank you.